I honestly can't remember, and I can't even believe I'm going to say this out loud. I can't remember the last time I used Google. I can't remember the last time I even paid attention to TubeBuddy or vidIQ or Google Trends or any other tool that all of us use to optimize our content. I'm going to share with you a tool that is so remarkable, that is taking the world by storm. And I'm going to show you concrete examples. I'm going to show you specifics on how I use it to create amazing content that helps me grow my brand, grow my business, get more views, more money, the whole works. Wait a minute, Nez. So you said it wasn't TubeBuddy. You said it was vidIQ. You said it wasn't Google Trends. It's a third-party tool. I think I know where you're going. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you. The greatest tool that I've been using for the past 3 to 2 months is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Yes, artificial intelligence. Before you click away, don't go anywhere. I'm going to actually show you screenshots right now live of me showing you how I use ChatGPT to really help me grow my channel, help me grow my business, and streamline everything, and why I think this is the greatest tool of all time. Also, stick around because I've got a free gift for you. I'm going to give you a list of amazing prompts that you can ask ChatGPT because it's still a tool. It's not something that's just going to be a substitute for your content. It's nothing's on autopilot. ChatGPT is only as valuable as the information it receives. So if you know how to communicate with it and you know how to ask it the right questions and give it the right intelligence, it will change the game. So as of this recording, ChatGPT is absolutely free, you guys. There is a ChatGPT Plus. It was bound to happen because they have to monetize, and I've already opted in to pay for it, but I'm showing you the free version right now. And so what I want to do is how to ask ChatGPT the right questions. And just for the sake of starting here, I have ChatGPT open up, and I've already asked them some amazing prompts, and you can literally use this for whatever niche that you're going for. So you can see me, I asked, the very first question I asked was, can you write me a list of the biggest, I misspelled biggest, I didn't even realize that, problems content creators face today in 2023. Now, why would I ask ChatGPT that? How does that help me, Nez? Well, your channel, your brand, your business, if you want it to grow, it can't be about you. The crux of creating a channel that will grow, the crux of creating a brand, a business eventually that you can monetize, is you have to provide capital V value. It has to be a solution. It has to be a resource. It has to be phenomenally helpful to your target audience. My target audience, I talk about the creator economy. I talk about helping creators monetize and grow their brand and business. So, of course, I want to figure out what makes my audience tick. I have to get inside their head. What are the problems they're going to face? Otherwise, they're not going to click. They're not going to watch. They're not going to opt in. And eventually, I'm not going to be able to monetize, right? So by asking ChatGPT, what are the biggest problems that content creators face today? Look at this list. And I'm going to do a live one too, because this is an entire thread. And I'm going to show you this entire thread. Again, don't go anywhere because I got a free gift for you. So ChatGPT responds with, look at this. Here are some of the biggest problems that content creators may face in 2023. And here's the cool thing. You can actually use every single one of those that they come up with. And by the way, this works for any niche. You can say, what is the biggest problem that investors face today? Let's say you have a finance channel. What is the biggest problem that people face with their car? What is the biggest problem that people face with their fitness goals or how to achieve their fitness goals in 2023? Whatever niche you're in, this works. This applies. And so look at the first one, monetization challenges. Content creators may face difficulties monetizing their content due to increased competition, ad blockers, and changing advertising policies of social media platforms. This may lead to difficulties in generating sustainable income from their creative work. There's 5 videos, there's 5 pieces of content that I can use in that very first prompt. Number 1, I can talk about how to solve the threat of increased competition as a content creator. That's a video. How to monetize even with ad blockers turned on. how to monetize when advertising policies are changing on each platform. And I'm just kind of spitballing this right here, but I mean, think about it. I could even just do it in a really long form, informative video, all on all the monetization challenges, or I can split it up into shorts, reels, etc., TikToks, for each one of those points, because each one of those points demands attention, demands answers. So look at the second one, algorithmic changes. Social media platforms and search engines like Google regularly update their algorithms, which can significantly impact the visibility and reach of a creator's content. These changes can negatively affect content creators' ability to reach their audience and gain new followers. There's a whole video right there, how to navigate, how to bypass search engine issues and algorithm problems as a content creator, how to master the algorithm as a content creator. That's an entire video. So you want to talk about tool to grow your channel. And look, copyright infringement, burnout, platform dependence, content saturation. And then look at this. I added a little kind of variation to this because me being primarily a education channel, a how-to channel, I asked ChatGPT, what are the main questions content creators have in 2023? And ChatGPT's response was, he turned basically all of those ideas into questions, all those challenges and all those problems into questions. How can I monetize my content in a sustainable way in the face of increasing competition and changing advertising policies? That's a video title right there. I mean, it's kind of long. You might want to condense it. Again, this is why I keep saying it's a tool. It's not something that just is a substitute. It's not something that just completely takes the human element out. There's a lot of talk online about how everybody's job is over, everybody's job is ending. I think a lot of these automation tools, if they don't adapt, I think they're in big trouble. I think a lot of these third-party tools and SaaS and CRMs, if they don't adapt, they're in a lot of trouble. But you still need the human element. So look at these great questions that I can turn those into content. And then check this out. I liked number 7. I think I already created a video or a short for number 7. And just so you can see this, number 7 is how can I keep up with changing trends in my niche and adapt my content strategy. Look at this. I asked ChatGPT, can you please write me a list of titles for a YouTube video based on problem number 7? And look how ChatGPT responded. Here are some potential YouTube titles. Look how crazy this is. This is amazing. Sorry, let me just zoom out here. I apologize. And then look what ChatGPT answered. Sure, here are some potential YouTube titles that have all the keyword optimization that these other third-party tools claim they have. Not only does this give me ideas, not only does it help me with SEO, not only does it help me with, what's happening currently, but it actually does 90% of the work for you. 5 strategies to stay ahead of changing trends as a content creator. The importance of adapting to new trends as a content creator. And again, what I actually think I did, I might not have, I can't really remember. I mean, I create content almost every day. I think I used a combination of some of these titles, but I mean, my point is, this is a new era. It's absolutely amazing. So here, let's ask another question. I want to do this live so you can kind of see. And let me know in the comments what questions would be a great complement to this. So the last part of this thread was, can you write me some YouTube titles for number 7? Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, write me some powerful YouTube titles with SEO friendliness and optimization. Let's see here. Optimization for title number, let's see. Or actually, you know what? For problems content creators face, let's make it broad, in the last 24 months. You know what? Let's do this too. Write me some powerful YouTube titles with SEO friendliness and optimization for YouTube videos. Hold on a second. For YouTube videos about problems content creators face in the last 24 months. Let's see what ChatGPT says. Watch this. This is absolutely phenomenal. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Look at this, real time. Here are some potential YouTube titles that are powerful and optimized for SEO that content creators have faced in the last 24 months. Top 10 challenges content creators have faced in the last 24 months. Navigating the changing, some of the titles are just throwaways, right? But imagine it's almost like having an assistant. It's almost like having somebody who can pretend to think like you, or it's almost like having a fellow content creator, like a digital avatar version of a content creator hanging out with you and giving you ideas. I'm not saying that I'm going to take any of these verbatim, but it gives me ideas. That's what all these third-party tools do. That's what a tool is meant to do. A tool is meant to help, not replace, not substitute, not do the work for you, but to help you, aid you in completing your project. I actually really like title number 2, Navigating the Changing Landscape of Content Creation, Problems and Solutions, the ultimate guide to overcoming the toughest problems. Look at that. Creating content, number 4, creating content in 2023, top problems and how to solve them. Look at number 5. That is literally a perfect YouTube title. Look at this, you guys. 5 tips for dealing with algorithm changes as a content creator in 2023. So watch this. After I go create the thumbnail and title, and actually you can even ask it for help creating a thumbnail too. Watch this. Create a narrative tension building thumbnail idea. Watch this. For title number, what was it? Number 5? I like number 5. Number 5. Let me see if I spelled thumbnail right. Yep. Okay. Watch this, you guys. It's going to tell me how to create a cool narrative idea. Watch this. Here's a narrative tension building idea for title number 5, which is, it even tells you, in the thumbnail shows a content creator sitting at their desk with a look of frustration on their face as they stare at the computer screen. Behind them, a giant ominous algorithm is You guys, this is insane. It's just absolutely insane. Again, we're not saying that you're going to use this verbatim. It's a tool. It's meant to help you. But this is great. It gives me such good ideas. And then I'm going to ask him to, this is what I've actually done this before. Here's the last thing, and then I'll talk to you about the free gift. I'm going to say, write me a compelling YouTube description for the title and thumbnail above. Watch this. With keywords and tags, or not tags. Let's say with keywords that are algorithmically friendly or something like that. I'll just say with keywords. Watch this. Watch this. Look at this. Insane. Insane. Watch this. Sure, here's a potential video description for the title above. The title is that. So, thumbnail, content creator sitting at the desk. Okay, text bubble pops up, another algorithm change. I love that. Description. As a content creator, there's nothing more frustrating than spending countless hours creating quality content only to see it buried in the depth of search results due to Southern. This is genius. In this video, we'll walk you through practical strategy for adapting your content. That's your YouTube description right there. Instead of spending hours and hours on all these copy, I use this for, you guys, I use this for email marketing. I use it for all the captions, all the copywriting for all my social media posts, my community tab posts, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, email, Facebook ads. You can use this tool to optimize your content. You want to talk about growing your YouTube channel? This is the ultimate tool. This is the only tool. Now, before you go, I want you to go into the pinned comment and in the description. I have left you a free download of the top ChatGPT prompts that you can kind of place in ChatGPT and make it even faster and make it even easier. Go check that out right now. It's absolutely 100% free. And these are the top ChatGPT prompts that I use myself, and that they're templates that you can use with your own specific niche and your own specific brand. Wow, what a brand new era. This is absolutely insane. I can't wait to see what the next 36 months to 5 years. It's going to get better and better and better. Maybe even a little bit scary, but right now, this tool is the best tool. I put my brand and reputation on it. It's better than any tool I found right now moving forward. And I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have you used ChatGPT? What are your thoughts? Have you used it to help you with your content creation? Let's make the comments thread super helpful, inspiring, and educational for everybody in the Nez Nation fam. I want to hear from you. Thank you so much.